can watch Hachiko without shedding a tear, but try chopping an onion, and suddenly, you're breaking down like it's the saddest movie ever. Why do even the toughest, most cold-blooded guys tear up over a simple vegetable? An American chemist named Eric Bloch once asked the same thing. He studied what happens when a knife cuts through an onion, and he discovered a tiny villain hiding inside, a chemical compound called the lacrimatory factor. From the Latin word lacrima, meaning tear. Here's what's going on. When you slice an onion, you destroy its cells. That releases enzymes that react and create the lacrimatory factor, a volatile gas that floats straight up into your eyes. When it meets the moisture in your tear film, it forms a tiny amount of sulfuric acid. Yup, real acid. That burning sensation isn't emotion, it's chemistry. So how do you stop it? Bloch discovered that when onions are cold, their chemical reactions slow down, which means the gas becomes much weaker. So if you toss your onion into the freezer for 10 minutes before cutting, you'll cry way less. Another trick, wet your knife with water. The gas reacts with that first, instead of your eyes. And in case you're wondering, yes, Japanese scientists actually bred a special onion that doesn't make you cry at all. It still has the vitamins, essential oils, and antibacterial properties, just without the tears. It's not widely sold yet, but hey, the future looks tear-free. So yeah, onions are little chemical pranksters. They don't care about your feelings, just basic chemistry. But next time you cook, toss that onion in the freezer. You'll cry a lot less, unless you're watching Hachiko at the same time. Stay smart, stay curious, and stay dry-eyed in the kitchen. Cool trick, right? And that's baby science for you.